This is my super simple homemade mint sauce. Welcome back to our kitchen, where we show you how to make delicious, family-friendly recipes. I'm going to show you how to make a really delicious and simple mint sauce to serve with your roast lamb dinner. Finely chop a large bunch, about 30 grams or 1/4 of a cup, of fresh mint leaves, discarding the stalks. Place in a bowl and cover with boiling water. Leave to steep for a few minutes so the leaves will soften. Then drain in a sieve and rinse with cold water while still in the sieve to stop the cooking process. Place 2 teaspoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons of malt vinegar and a pinch of salt in a small bowl and stir together. Then add the cooked mint leaves. Stir together and leave for 20 to 30 minutes to allow the flavour to develop. And there you go, that's how to make my super simple mint sauce. Perfect to go with your roast lamb dinner. Don't forget to subscribe and check out our roast lamb dinner here. See you next time.